Hello guys, today we are learning 3 questions. The first chapter of Honeycomb Class 7th book. Part 1. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something, which people should he listen to, what is most important thing to do him. The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered question differently. In reply of the first question, some said that king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in is the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish persons, and always whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide, control what out have from other. The right time for every action. But then others said that there were some things would be urgent. These things could not wait for decision of council. In order to discuss of right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into future, and only magicians can do that. The king therefore would have to go to messengers. In their answer of second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were counselors. Others said the priest, a few chose the doctors, and yet others said that soldiers were most necessary. To the third question, some said science, others choose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Here is a very important word in history, that is religious worship, and it is a hard word too in English. The religious worship means dharmic udhyan. As the answer of his question were different, the king, not satisfied and gave no rewards, instead to decide to say the obvious control of a certain hermit who was wide known for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a wooden which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so that the king put on ordinary clothes before he reached the hermit's hut. The king left his horse with his bodyguards and went alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw hermit digging the ground front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak as he was. He breathed heavily. The king went up to hermit and said, I have to come to you, wise hermit, to answer 3 questions. Who who can I learn to do right thing at it right time? Who are the people I need most? And what is affairs are the most important? Hermit answered to the king, but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thank you, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. When the king dug 2 bears, he stopped and recounted his questions. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up and searching out hands for spade and said, Now you rest. Let me take me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king set the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my question. If you can give me no answer, tell me, so I will return home. Here came someone running, said the hermit. Here was 2 questions. The homework is these questions. Okay. That is the end of first part. In second part, we start this one part, second part of this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.